Hi, this is Major Praveen Singh, veteran and Director Cardinal Warriors. Today on 31st May, Memorial Day, we would like to remember the martyrs and the veterans who have served. Memorial Day, although is a foreign concept, but that doesn't stop us to take this opportunity to remember all those who have served the country and all those who have laid down their lives for the country. Taking this opportunity, I would like to remind you that we all do contribute in nation building, no doubts, by giving whatever small contribution we can. But there are many few unsung heroes who have given their all for the service of the nation, as per the oath taken during the commissioning, to complete any task even to the peril of their life. There are many unsung heroes about whom we don't know, and we have forgotten them. We have forgotten their supreme sacrifices. We go for the heroes who may be good in sports, who may be working in movies. These are not actually your real heroes. They may be the superstars, they may be doing very good in their field, they must be having a good talents, but actual heroes are defined by the circumstances of and not giving up in such adverse circumstances. Like you must have heard about the Kargil incident, in which the terrain was indomitable, the enemy was sitting at higher positions. Despite that, the never say die attitude of our Indian officers and the men gave us victory during the Kargil. So on this Memorial Day, although it is a foreign concept, but that doesn't stop us from using this opportunity to remember our heroes, our martyrs who have given their today for our tomorrow. I fondly remember Major Samirul Islam, Shaurya Chakra, and Major Vijit Singh, Shaurya Chakra, both from 17th Parachute Field Regiment, who laid down their life fighting the terrorist or insurgent in the jungle terrains of Assam. We had other martyrs like DMT Baba Sahib and Operator Arjinder Singh, both from 17th Parachute Field Regiment. But this list is just the beginning. There are many more unsung heroes. About them the present generation does not know, and they should know them, they should learn from them. At Cardinal Warriors, it will be our endeavor not to limit our remembrance only to Memorial Day. We will be having a series of lectures or videos on our YouTube channel to commemorate the gallant and brave heroes of our armed forces in a series which will be made, produced and published by our students in coming days. The series will be named Lest We Forget. We are actually not heroes, but we have the opportunity to serve with such unsung heroes. So we will take an opportunity to ensure that their gestures, their noble deeds, their noble thoughts, their personality, their character are imbibed by the generation next, so that they can also serve the nation. They can also think about safety, welfare and honor of the country, as well as the men whom they command. So with this, I will like you to stay tuned and watch our series Lest We Forget. I will also like to appeal to all the people to kindly look after the veterans and the martyrs' family. You must be knowing a lot of them. You must be staying close to them. Kindly take out your time to know about them, know their whereabouts, and to see if it is possible to help them in any possible way. Otherwise, their supreme sacrifice is forgotten. So let us as a team, as a nation, be indebted to them and be grateful to them, and should express our gratitude to their families which are shattered without them, which are missing them. Let's make our bit and do something for them, lest we forget. Thank you.